जना साहब जी, खालिद महमूद जी, एक्सप्रेस टीवी से। जना साहब, इंडियन मीडिया ने जो 3 दिन में तूफ़ान बर्पा किया, उसको तो हम अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, उसका जवाब भी उनको दिया गया। आज जो उनकी स्पोक्स पर्सन थे, मिलिट्री स्पोक्स पर्सन, उनकी आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई, उसमें उन्होंने बताया कि बहावलपुर में जो उन्होंने टारगेट किया था, उसमें रऊफ़ नामी शख्स को उन्होंने टारगेट किया था और उसको वो बहुत हाई वैल्यू टारगेट अचीवमेंट उसको शो कर रहे हैं। आप बताइएगा कि क्या ऐसा कोई वाक़या वहाँ पे हुआ और इसकी हकीकत क्या है?
I think this question was discussed day before, once we had the last press conference. Because this was discussed this point was made by this, so we have pulled out the same video clip. So I'll just see that first so that you can see what the fact of the matter is. If we can run that clip, because the reality is for everyone to clear, is obviously for everyone to see. So you see, yes, this one. If you just stop here. So this is the Indian High Commissioner in UK who is showing on international media picture of a person leading the prayers. You can see that. Now he is saying that this man is brother of an alleged person who is in incarceration, and that this man is the brother of that terrorist, the alleged terrorist that they say. Now run this. If you can run this clip.
This person here is a sanctioned terrorist under the American sanctions regime. His name is Hafiz Abdur Rauf.
So he's saying, stop here. So he's saying he is Hafiz Abdur Rauf, who is a sanctioned terrorist, and this terrorist is leading this prayer. So he is a High Commissioner of the Indian government. No, go ahead.
That you're mentioning. Look who's behind it. Pakistani military. Look at the coffins there. They have the Pakistani national flag.
Masood Azhar's brother has been killed in Operation Sindoor. That's Maulana.
Now stop here.
Rauf Azhar. Masood Azhar.
Kindly, please. So what he's saying now, their media is saying that no, this person has died. So at the same time, he's dead for them. At the same time, he's alive for them, to whom to believe. So what we did was, we tried to reach out this man, because there was a person who was leading the prayers. Now we'll show you that man.
Abdul Rauf Azhar killed in Operation Sindoor.
Your own Pakistani military has said that Masood Azhar's family has been killed. I'm quoting the Pakistani military.
No, stop here. No, please stop here. Kindly, please. No, the misinformation that is being spewed from the Indian side is being also picked up by international media, because they push it out so aggressively and so much that a journalist of an international media is saying, believing that the brother of the story, because that story has been told, has been given to her by a very top-ranking official. And she's saying that the military officials of Pakistan have said that. Where is that record? At what time ISPR, myself, anybody has said and made any comment about him? Now, he is this man. His name is Hafiz Abdur Rauf, who is actually leading the prayers. And listen to him what he's saying.
जी एक जनाजा पढ़ाने की मुझे बड़ी ही शदीद तकलीफ है और रंज भी है कि बगैर किसी तस्दीक के, बगैर किसी तहकीक के मेरे बारे में इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें और बैनुल-अक़वामी चीज़ें बयान कर दी हिंदुस्तान ने और उनके मीडिया ने, जो बिल्कुल ही मुज़क्का खेज़ है, जिसका हक़ाइक़ से क़तन कोई ताल्लुक़ नहीं है। मेरी ज़िंदगी सबके सामने है। मेरे माँ बाप उस्ताद थे, मैं खुद तालीम दोस्त आदमी हूँ। मैंने पहले कॉलेज में पढ़ा, स्कूल में पढ़ा और बेहतरीन मेरी एजुकेशन रही।
So he's saying, I am surprised that I am being talked by the Indian media. So my parents were teachers. He's got 3 daughters, son, and he is born in March 1973. You can see his details, family details and everything over here. So we are actually surprised that even today, then again, They have come out with the same thing. So it is now getting, it's a little flabbergasted that whatever they are telling, why they are telling, and what to believe, what not to believe.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।